Flutie tries the drop kicks early, not because you can do everything, which you can, but to test the win. Hey, Jacksonville came in banged up. Rookie running back Tavian Banks starting for rookie running back Fred Taylor. And Banks, such a star in the Big Ten, left for 5. Then down to the 4-yard line on the first drive of the game. 2 plays later, Banks a touchdown. Hey, this is why the Jags are 5-0. They got a great line. They had an outstanding team, and it's 7-0 Jacksonville in a 10-minute drive. Buffalo hardly had the ball in the first quarter. Wind would pick up. Hold on to your pants. Bills down 7-0. This is Doug Flutie. Look at this shovel, and
throws it to Jay Remersma and then throws a great block. I don't know if we've ever seen a quarterback throw the ball and then block for the receiver after he throws
on
to
the
him.
same play. Flutie, a quick slant. Eric Moulds, touchdown, 12 yards. We're tied at 7. The fans, 12,000 walk up this week, eating their Flutie flakes. That goes to charity to autism. At any rate, we're tied at 7. Bruce Smith against Tony Boselli, best against best.
Yeah, battle royale between Boselli and Smith. And you see all of the technique that Boselli uses, the strength, the speed to the outside. Bruce Smith struggling a little bit. And then watch this, Smith moving to the outside. You're going to see Brunell start to flush to his left. And Smith there for part of a sack.
First time in 3 games, Bruce has gotten a sack against Tony Boselli. The Jags lead 10-7 in the third quarter. Antoine Smith, second-year running back, hits a fumble. Tony Brackens, who batted down several passes today, picks it up. Watch this. Whoop! He's going to flip it to Aaron Beasley. And Beasley makes a great run all the way down to the 12-yard line. But the Bills defense held him to a field goal. Remember it, 13-7, not 17-7. Bills next possession, first and goal at the 8. Flutie, pump fake, jump, pump. Broken up by Beasley. Wow.
Well, Doug Flutie is just so unique. You watch this. Defenders are used to a guy pumping them, but not jumping and pumping. He gave him everything he had, full package.
They've traded field goals 16-10. The Jags lead at 3rd and 2. And Brunell is sacked by Phil Hansen and Pat Williams on a 3rd and 2. 2-minute warning. They punt. So Flutie gets the ball with just under 2 minutes to go, down 16-10. Quick pass to Andre Reed. He barely holds on. The Jags wanted the call, but the refs made a good call. Possession, Reed, catch. Next play, Thurman Thomas. Inside draw, 9 yards. Now this is the one I like. 2 plays later, 3rd and 1. Get the first down first. Not exciting. They get a first down, they call a timeout. Rather than panic, now they make a plan. Joe Pendry, offensive coordinator. 2 plays later, 2nd and 6. Flutie, shotgun to Eric Moulds against Chris Hudson. Catch! It's a touchdown! Flutie has done it! They pulled off a win, 17-60. Wait a minute. The ref says he was down. So now the Bills have to regain their composure. They spiked the ball. What happened, Tom?
That cost him a down. You're going to see his knee hit down. Moses going to the end zone right there. So that was the correct call by the officials.
So now the Bills have spiked it. It's 2nd down for Wade Phillips. 2nd and goal from the 1. Flutie, lob to Moulds, incomplete. 3rd and goal. Another play. Try the other side. Flutie, lob, Andre Reed, incomplete. 1 chance left. 16-10 Jaguars. 4th and goal. Wade Phillips asking for quiet. 18 seconds to go. Flutie, handoff. No! It's a bootleg. It's a touchdown. Doug Flutie and the Bills. Touchdown. It's not quite the Lambeau leap because Doug's not that big. He can't leap over this thing, but he can leap over buildings with a single bound. Coughlin, amazed. Look at the play again. Fake to Thurman Thomas. More on it in a moment. Flutie beats everyone to the end zone. The kick, good by Coughlin. He was trying to steer it wide. 17-16, the Bills. Little guy, meet the biggest guy. Flutie, Bruce Smith embraced an unbelievable finish as the Buffalo Bills were 0-3. They're now 3-3. They gave the Niners their only loss.